Welcome everyone. Today let's continue with the problem set 2, and this is a part 3 video of this lesson and of quadratic equation class 10th algebra. Alright. Student, we have completed till question number solve the following quadratic equation. Okay. And let's do today question number 8, and question number 8 is find of if equation has real and equal. So student, first, if the equation has real and equal root, that means its discriminant value or d value or b square minus 4ac value is equals to 0. Okay, so here discriminant value is 0 or the roots has real and equal, and we have to find out the value of m. So let's start solving. Okay, so here I have written equation, and we have to find m. And here for real and equal roots of equation, the discriminant value should be 0 or d value is equals to 0. Now here let's write equation once again, and our equation is m minus 12 x square plus 2m minus 12x plus 2 is equals to 0. And write here the values of, so a value is this one, m minus 2, and value of b, it will be this 2 minus 12. All right, and value is equals to 2. Now just solve the minute, that is d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now b square value is this one, that is 2 minus 12 whole square minus 4. A is m minus 12 multiplied by 2. All right, now after solving this, do here. Okay, so this will be 2 square. Now we will multiply this 2 with the bracket, so it will be 2m minus 12 whole square minus 4 to the 8 m minus 12. Now here we will apply the formula of a b square. Okay, a minus b square, that is it will be a square minus a square plus b square, plus b square minus 2ab. Right, now let's apply this formula in 2m minus a, 2m minus 12. So it will be like this, 4m square, that is 2m square will be 4m square minus 2ab means 96m plus 12 square, 12 square, not 12 here, 12 to the 24. Now 24 square will be plus 576. Now this 8 will be multiplied by this bracket, so it will be 8m minus 12 8 minus become plus 12 8 96 is equals to 0. Now after solving this complete equation, we will get 4m square minus, now this 9 minus 96 minus 8m, it will be minus 104m plus 576. Okay, now 576 and 96, it will be 672. Okay, now student, if you will observe this equation, so this can be completely divisible by 4. This easily divisible by 4. So we will divide this equation by 4. All the terms we will divide by 4. It will be m square minus 26m plus 168 is equals to 0. Okay, now here middle term is 26 and this c term is 168. That means we want the answer of 168. Now after doing factorization by this method, we will get the factors of 168. Now you are all know how to take out the factors of factors by this method. Okay, so of 168, it will be 14 multiplied by 2. So 14 multiplied by 12, it will be 26. So we will write here m square minus 14m minus 12m plus 168 is equals to 0. Now let's take common from these two terms. So it will be m minus 14, and from here also we will take minus common, m minus 14 is equals to 0. Now common bracket one time, it will be m minus 12 is equals to, now this will be m minus 14 is equals to 0, or m minus 12 is equals to 0. So value of m will be 14, and from this equation we will get the value of m is equals to 12. Now student, if we will use m is equals to 12, if we will take a value of m as 12, so we cannot get the quadratic equation. Okay, so quadratic equation will only form by this value, that is m is equals to 14. So value of m we will take 14. Okay, so this is the solution. Okay, now let's solve question number 9. So question number 9 is the sum of two roots of quadratic equation is 5 and sum of their cubes is 35, and we have to find the quadratic equation. Okay, now sum of roots means you know that every quadratic equation has two roots, that is alpha and beta, and here it is given as sum of two roots of quadratic equation is 5. That means alpha plus beta is equals to 5, and next condition is given as sum r square, here, okay, sum of their cubes means alpha cube plus beta cube is equals to 35, and we have to find out the quadratic sorry. So let's start solving. Now student, here alpha plus beta is given, and the general form of quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Now we have the value of alpha plus beta, and we don't know here alpha multiplied by beta. Okay, that means product of root we don't have. So use this formula to find value of alpha plus beta. Okay, alpha cube beta cube is given now, so we use that formula. So alpha plus beta cube formula will be alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta multiplied by alpha plus beta. Okay, now this is in the same form, that is a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. Okay, so student, you have to remember this formula. Now just put up in this formula we will put the value of alpha cube plus beta cube and alpha plus beta. Now alpha cube plus beta cube value is 35, so we will write here 35 is equals to alpha plus beta cube, the alpha plus beta whole cube. So alpha plus beta value is 5 cube minus 3 alpha beta, we don't know, alpha plus beta is again 5. Okay, now just form the equation. 5 cube, it will be 125 minus 3 3 5s are 15, so it will be 15 alpha beta. Okay, now here this minus 15 alpha beta will comes here, becomes plus alpha beta is equals to 125 minus 35. Okay, now 125 minus 35 will be 90, 15 alpha beta. Now alpha beta value will be 90 upon 15, and 15 6 are 90. So alpha beta value will be 6. Now we have the value of alpha plus beta also, and alpha multiplied by beta also, that is 6. Now just form the quadratic equation. So we will write here required quadratic equation. Required quadratic equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Now x square minus alpha plus beta value is given as 5x, and alpha into beta is 6 is equals to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. Okay, now question number 10 is find the quadratic equation. Now again here we have to find a quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of roots and square of difference of the root of given equation, that is 2x square. Now here we have to find out the quadratic equation, and one quadratic equation is given, and we have to find the required quadratic equation by using given quadratic equation. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so this is a given quadratic equation. Okay, and suppose, so first we will find out the roots of this given quadratic equation. All right, so suppose the roots of given quadratic equation are alpha and beta, and if the roots are alpha and beta, so first we will find alpha plus beta, then we will find alpha into beta, that means sum of roots and product of roots. So let's first find alpha plus beta from this equation. Now alpha plus beta value is minus b upon a. All right, now minus b upon a, that means the value of b is this one and value of a is this, and this is b. So first let's write the value of b, that is minus 2. This minus is from the formula. So minus 2 p plus q divided by value of a is 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and we will get the value of alpha plus beta is minus p plus q. Okay. Now value of product of root, that means alpha into beta, it is given as, it will be according to the formula c upon a, that is this will be p square plus q square divided by 2. Okay, so this is a given roots of given quadratic equation, it is sum of root and product of roots. Here I have mentioning with the boxes. Okay, now we will assume the roots of required quadratic equation. Okay, so this is required equation. So suppose the required quadratic equation is this form. Now here we have assumed the roots as alpha 1 and beta 1. So the quadratic equation will be x square minus alpha 1 plus beta 1 x plus alpha into beta alpha 1 beta 1 is equals to 0. Now according to the question, the roots are, now here it is given as such that its roots are square of sum of the roots and square of difference. So first we will find out the alpha into beta. So roots will be sum of roots, and here difference of root. So alpha plus beta square, this is alpha minus beta square. Okay, so alpha 1 value will be sum of square of given roots, and beta 1 is equals to difference of square of given roots of quadratic equation. Okay, now here first we put the value of alpha 1 plus beta 1. Now alpha 1 plus beta 1, that means this plus, so let's write the values, that is plus beta square. Alpha 1 value is alpha plus beta square, plus beta 1 value will be alpha minus beta square. Okay, now we will use the formula here, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Now let's apply the formula. So first now this is equation number 1. Okay, so first we will write the formula of alpha plus a plus b whole square. So it will be alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, and the formula for alpha minus beta square, it will be beta whole square is equals to alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Now here this plus alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta will be cancelled, and let's write now alpha square plus alpha square will be 2 alpha square, beta square plus beta square will be 2 beta square. Now let's take 2 common from here, so it will be twice of alpha square plus beta square. Okay. Okay, now student, we have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Okay, so this equation can be written as twice of alpha plus beta square minus twice of alpha. This is our equation number 2. Now let's put up the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So here this becomes twice of square bracket, then alpha plus beta value is minus p plus q whole square. This will be like this, and minus twice of the alpha beta value is p square plus q square divided by 2. Okay, so this 2 will be cancelled, and it will be 2 square root of minus p plus q whole square minus, now this can be here p square plus q square, we will open the bracket with minus sign, so this will be p square minus q square. Now here we will apply the formula of p plus q. Now this minus become plus, so it will be p square plus q square plus 2pq. Now here I have used the formula of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, minus p square minus q square. Now this becomes cancel, and this will be 2 multiplied by 2pq, that means 2 to the 4 pq. So student, value of this alpha 1 plus beta 1 is equals to 4 pq. Now we will find out the value of alpha 1 into beta 1. Okay, now let's find out alpha 1 beta 1. Now the value of alpha 1 multiplied by beta 1 will be like this, alpha plus beta square into alpha minus beta whole square. Okay, so this will be alpha plus beta multiplied by alpha minus beta whole square, and here this will be alpha square minus beta square whole square. Now alpha square minus beta square whole square is this. So our formula becomes alpha 4 plus beta 4 minus 2 alpha square beta square. Now this is a similar formula of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here the power will be multiplied by 2. So it becomes 4 4 and square. Okay. Now let's simplify this one. So student, this becomes okay alpha plus beta. So here we will write alpha 4 plus beta 4, sorry, beta 4 minus 2 alpha square beta square plus 2 alpha square beta square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Okay, so this can be simplified as alpha square plus, now here we are taking common terms, okay, beta square whole square minus 4 alpha square beta square. That means here we are applying the formula. Now okay, this term and this term become formula, and this minus 2 alpha square beta square minus, here the sign is minus, this sign is minus, minus 2 alpha square beta square becomes minus 4 alpha square beta square. Okay, now this will be simplified as alpha plus beta whole square minus twice of alpha beta whole square minus 4 alpha square beta square. Okay, now this again further we can write it as like this. Okay, now here we will put the value of alpha plus beta is equals to minus p plus q, and alpha into beta we can put as p square plus q square, so divided by 2. Now let's put this value in this equation. Now it will become, okay, is equals to minus p plus q whole square minus 2 p square plus q square whole square divided by 2. Okay, so this will be whole square minus 4 alpha square beta square, alpha minus beta whole square, this will be same multiply by. Okay, so now here this is equals to minus become plus. Now here this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Remaining term we will write, that is p plus q whole square minus p square plus q square whole square minus 4 multiply by this becomes p square q square divided by 2 whole square. Okay, now just we will brackets of here by the formula plus b square. So this will be p square plus q plus 2pq, and we will open this bracket, so it becomes p minus p square minus q square minus p square plus q square whole square. Now here this sorry, if in the next step here I am writing here, this is 4 multiplied by this 2 square will be 4, so it becomes cancel, and remaining term will be only p square plus q square whole square. Okay, now just to cancel the terms, p square minus p square plus q square minus q square. Okay, so let's write the remaining term. So this will be 2pq whole square minus p square plus q square whole square. Okay, now p, this square becomes 4p square q square minus it's a square, this one square, it will be p4 plus q4 plus 2p square q square. We are applying here formula. Okay, now just open the term with the sign p square q square minus p raised to 4. Now minus plus become minus, again minus becomes minus. Okay, now student here 4p square 4p square q square minus 2p square q square will be 2p square minus p4 minus, now we will take a minus sign common here, so it becomes minus term becomes plus and plus term becomes minus, plus q4 minus 2p square q square. Now student again become the of p square minus q square. Now here we got the value of beta 1. Now we value of alpha 1 beta and value of alpha 1 plus beta 1 as, so this value 4p. Okay, now let's write the quadratic equation. Now we have both the values, so we can find out the required quadratic equation. So our required equation will be in the form of x square minus alpha 1 plus beta 1 x plus alpha 1 beta 1 is equals to 0. Now alpha 1 beta 1 value is this, x square minus 4pq into x plus alpha 1 beta 1 is p square minus q square whole square is equals to 0. Now this is minus, okay. So this become x square minus 4pqx plus minus become minus p square minus q square whole square is equals to 0. So student, this is our final quadratic equation.